Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. In order to make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode, firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device here. Go ahead and tap on the sounds and haptics option and then tap on haptics. You will see the option for play in silent mode. So go ahead and select the option for play in silent mode. Now go back and tap on notifications and scroll down and find the phone option here. Tap on sounds and then tap on haptics and make sure the haptics is set to any option under standard. Or you can also create your own haptics. Just make sure that the none option is not selected. Now go back and the same applies for messages to tap on the messages option and then on sounds and then on haptics, and make sure the haptics is set to any option under standard. Or you can also create a new haptics. Just make sure that the none option is not selected. So that's basically how you can make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.